Hello, my name is Ron. Today I'm showing you how I built a set of tripods that I use for suspending items when I use spray paint. Although I built them for use when I spray paint, there are potentially many other uses for tripods like this. As you can see, I built two tripods and connected a pipe between them. The tripods are built out of 3/4 inch EMT conduit, the type you can buy at most any hardware store. And the pipe between them is also 3/4 inch EMT conduit. The connecting EMT pipe is attached by two elbows with set screws. And the key to making the tripods are the adjustable clamps and the saddle clamps, also called double clamps, that you see here. In order to connect the three legs of the tripod all at the same level, I needed to create an offset of some type, since three adjustable clamps would not all fit on the center pipe at the exact same place. That is where the saddle clamps and the short sections of EMT come in. They provide an offset so that the three adjustable clamps can all be the same distance from the ground. And as you can see, I used some screws to hold the saddle clamps in place. The reason I used adjustable clamps is so the legs can fold up and not take up too much space and stored in my tool shed. Here is how they adjust. As far as the tools I used, the only tools I used in making the tripods were a pipe cutter, also known as a tubing cutter, screwdriver, and a drill. Here is a photo of the first time I used it. I suspended the framework for a utility cart when I spray painted it. If you want to see more about the utility cart I built, you can find that on my YouTube channel, DIY Ron Land. So, that is how I built a set of tripods. Thanks for watching.